Hello, all young project management aspirants, students, and professionals. I'm your trainer, Mohammad saud.arif. Today, I will be explaining you about the seven core project management principles. So, if you are new here, please like and subscribe to my channel so that you may get to know if I upload a new video. My aim is to create videos dedicated to project management so that I can serve the community. Let's start with this presentation. Project management is a crucial element in any organization success. It involves planning, organizing, and controlling resources to achieve specific goals. To achieve successful outcomes, project managers must understand and apply the fundamental principles of project management. In this video, we'll be discussing the seven core project management principles that every project manager should know. These principles are essential for effective project management and they can be applied to any project regardless of size or complexity. Seven core principles are: number one, define the project objectives and scope. The first principle of project management is to define the project objectives and scope. This involves identifying what the project aims to achieve and what is included or excluded from the project. Defining the project objectives and scope provides clarity and direction, which is essential for successful project completion. Number two, establish a realistic project plan. The second principle of project management is to establish a realistic project plan that involves creating a plan that outlines the task, timelines, resources, and budget needed to complete the project successfully. A realistic project plan ensures that all the project requirements are met within the specific time frame and budget. Number three, develop a resource management plan. The third principle of project management is to develop a resource management plan. This involves identifying and allocating the necessary resources required to complete the project. Resource management includes managing human resources, equipment, and materials to ensure that they are used effectively and efficiently. Number four, monitor and control project progress. The fourth principle of project management is to monitor and control project progress. This involves regularly tracking the project progress against the plan and making necessary adjustments to ensure that the project is on track and meets its objectives. Monitoring and controlling project progress helps to identify potential problems and take corrective action before they become major issues. Number fifth, ensure effective communication. The fifth principle of project management is to ensure effective communication. This involves establishing open and clear communication channels between all project stakeholders. Effective communication ensures that everyone is on the same page and has a clear understanding of the project objectives, progress, and challenges. Number six, managing risks and issues. The sixth principle of project management is to manage risk and issues. This involves identifying potential risks and issues that would impact the project and developing strategies to mitigate or eliminate them. Effective risk management ensures that potential problems are identified early and addressed before they can derail the project. Number seven, deliver value to the customer. The seventh and the final principle of the project management is to deliver value to the customer. This involves ensuring that the project meets the customer requirements and delivers the expected benefits. Delivering value to the customer is the ultimate goal of any project and is essential for customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel and stay blessed. Take care. Bye.